Smartsupp live chat tutorial, Smartsupp tutorial for WordPress. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video, and we're going to be teaching you how you could set up your Smartsupp over here and of course connecting it with your WordPress website and using it as well. So what you're going to do is you're just simply going to visit Smartsupp over here. Now Smartsupp is a free, or you could easily create an account for a free. And this is what you're going to look like. If you're wondering why I am starting at this point, it's because later here at the third part or step 3 is where you're actually going to connect, or it's going to teach us how to connect our WordPress over here with our Smartsupp. So first things first, let's start from the first over here, our basics. So let's configure, or it will allow us to configure our live chat. What will be our chatbot's name, and so on and so forth. So you could name it whatever you want. So let's say for me, let's go with Sean as a sample name over here. Then you could also choose the specific language that you want it to be. Now, after that, if you click on continue to proceed, also you're able to add a photo, by the way, if you want to have a photo. And over here on the right side is the preview of our Smartsupp. Now, continue again. And over here, this will be the initial message of your live chat to your visitor. You could adjust it and change it to whatever you want, depend on your preference. And over here, you will be able to see once again on the right side the preview of what it would look like. Change it however you want and simply click on continue after you're happy with that. And now over here, we will be able to see our different platforms that we could connect to. So we can either insert it directly to our code in our website, or we could also do WordPress over here, which will be our focus for today's video. Now, that's basically just going to ask you to install Smartsupp in our WordPress over here. So simply in our WordPress, what we're going to do is we're going to locate plugins. Click on plugins. And then we're going to be adding a plugin. So to be able to add a plugin, you will see here add new plugin option. Simply click that option over here. And now this is where we will be able to look for our plugin. So we're simply going to search for our app here. So simply search here Smartsupp. There you go. I can have to fix my spelling. There we go, Smartsupp. And then if it's not appearing, double check your spelling like what I did. I pressed the wrong one. So Smartsupp, there we go. So we have our Smartsupp live chat, AI, shopping assistance, and chatbot over here. So what you're going to do is just simply going to install our bot over here. And you're just simply going to give it some time. There we go. And then there should be an additional option, which is going to be the activate. So you're just simply going to activate it so that we will be able to utilize our chatbot. So there we go. Our plugin has been activated. Now, you will be able to see here on the right side that we have our Smartsupp. So simply click on the Smartsupp option over here. And now this is our Smartsupp. So now what you're going to do here is just simply going to log in your account from Smartsupp into this account over here. So simply type out your email and then your password. Go and click on create your account. If you have an account, or rather, if you have an account, simply click on the login option. Well, you can create an account directly in this Smartsupp page over here, but you could also do it in our original website, which is smartsupp.com over here. So I'm trying to log into my account, so give me a bit of time here. Trying our password over here. Well, anyway, let's skip this for a bit and let's go back to our website here. After you have done connecting and installing it, simply click on continue. You could also have an additional AI over here if you want, the Mira AI. We'll try it later. But anyway, here we go. Now, over here, you should not be able to log in. I think I created an account through Google API, which is not letting me log in into this page over here. So when you're creating an account in Smartsupp, I would recommend that you utilize or log in or create an account through the direct email creation, not through Google, stuff like that. But anyway, Over here in Smartsupp, we have successfully added this. So if you log into this, it will now be able to allow you to connect to it. Now, once you're connected to our Smartsupp, you should then be able to now do or set up your chat directly in Smartsupp over here. We have a guide here teaching us what we need to do to fully get our chatbot set up. So over here, we could customize our chat box to match our design. So you could change the appearance. Do you want it to appear on the left side or the right side of your website? Typically, it's on the right side. You could change the color to whatever you want. So I guess depending on what the theme of your website is, like the color scheme, you could adjust it to that. You could add a title over here on what your chatbot is. So you could either have "How can we help?" or a simple chatbot, something like that. Or even the name of the chat, I guess. Depends on your preference on what you would like it to have. And over here, status will reply to it immediately. Or wait 1 to 2 minutes. Something like that. And then you could also have some text area over here, which is going to be this one over here. So enter message. This is just what is going to appear over here in the chatbot. And you can also do a button or a bubble. It depends over here, as you can see. Aside from that, you could also click on options over here. Where you could have pop-up message or just a badge over here. You can check out some advanced settings. The contact form will be available in this section as well. As you can see, this will allow you to get information and also to allow the name or like get the name of the person. You could also add your phone number if you want to collect, and you could also have some data privacy stuff over here. And then for the installation over here, we have our WordPress over here. So we're just going to be logging in. So that's the only way, or that's the process for connecting to Smartsupp over here. You're just going to log into your account, and you should then be able to easily have it on your website. And handling it or managing anything related to the WhatsApp or the Smartsupp, you're going to be doing it in the smartsupp.com over here. You will be able to check out the conversations over here, the resolves conversation, the open, the new automations. You could also have it some automations over here. There are different templates for you to be able to choose from. For example, you want to have frequently asked questions, you could have these templates as well. We are offline, so on and so forth. There's also Mira AI over here, which could improve your experience as well, and of course your customers. And over here in the visitors, you will be able to get or gather the contacts over here depending on what type of information you were getting, such as you saw earlier, we were gathering names, emails, and so on and so forth. Then over here, statistics, you will be able to see how much conversations, your response time, average rating, so on and so forth. And of course your usage as well over here. Since I'm currently using a trial version, these are my limits over here. But anyway, that is how you will be able to connect and integrate your Smartsupp with our WordPress. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.